Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy games on your MetaQuest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just check out this navigation bar, pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, all you have to do is just go right here in the store and click it. And as you open the store, search for the game you want to buy. And for now, I'm choosing this game. As you can see, got Toffee. It cost me $9.99 and just click on there. And as you click it, just scroll down where you can see this option and just click on here. And as you click it, just select any of the method you want to buy the game from, like your PayPal account or the credit or the debit card, and just fill out the information and buy the game for your MetaQuest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.